We've all had Mango Frooti. Now this summer, I'm going to tell you how to make this Mango Frooti right at your homes. This is very simple and can be made out of fresh fruit which is available to us right at our doorstep. Let us see how it is done. I start with taking chopped ripe mangoes. I'm going to add this to a container. To add a little more tangy taste, I'm going to add some raw mangoes nicely chopped as well. To this, I'm going to top it up with 2 spoons full of sugar. Now we place this container over gas or over a hot plate for nicely heating it. Post switching on the gas stove, I'm going to nicely add water enough to submerge all of my mangoes completely, and I'm going to allow it to cook well in this water. I'm going to nicely cover this with a plate. After the mangoes are cooked, I add it to a juicer jar and I'm going to nicely grind it into a thick paste. And then I run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles are taken off. Here you see in the container that I have nice clear mango juice, and I'm going to dilute it with 1 to 2 glasses of water. Ensure that you at least refrigerate it for an hour, and then serve it along with ice cubes for a perfect summer evening drink.